Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Let's start with your reading. Okay, so this is going to be beyond, which is timeless. There is someone who is coming for you. Someone, I got that vibe of like someone who is coming for you. Okay, but I feel like right now they are coming, but the problem is that in the midst of like I saw like a U shape kind of formation between the like it's a crossing. Okay, before they cross it's like the water is there which is filled up, so it wasn't nothing like a mainstream or something, but I could kind of get this vibe of like it was in focus. Hope I'm making sense, or I'm being able to make you understand. There is something that you really need to get to know before you meet this person. I feel like they are coming, but now they are in the midst of crossing some river, their own life. It's basically that, okay? The hindrance or the blockage we call, I also call it as anchor. So let's see. Please give us the energy. Okay, there might be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, there is also the energy of someone who is resisting something continuously. I don't know whether it's you or the other person. If it's of the now relationship, you'll know what is happening. If it is something connected with the person who is yet not here, then you're going to figure out. Okay, so let's see your overall energy. I also saw kind of like energy of something that lives underground, like a rat or something. Just to explain you, someone who digs, like make holes or something like that. Okay, that kind of energy, which is about maybe you had a bitter past, bitter communication with someone in the past. If that goes that way. However, if this is we are talking about something new, there may be someone who is Queen of Wands energy, though this can be King as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe, and I see heavy Leo. Okay, I see kind of like maybe in your chart there's something falling as a Leo. If that is not the case, for some of you specific, okay, if that is not the case, it was a quarrel between you and this person, quarrel that no one could defeat. Too much in head, someone is too much in head thinking about. Okay, there's a mystery connected with this person. If they're already around you, you're going to figure out about that if you know them, because this is a Queen though. But if you don't know, it's a fresh start of something, because I feel that they're coming. This is all about okay, so this is all about Three of Swords. So maybe you had the connection prior, you had that misunderstanding, something was not right. It feels though like a rat. Okay, someone who causes that trouble, that hole, and that they try to seep in, or someone betrayed you, you know, in the relationship possible. With the Three of Swords energy, there is this, I'm hearing dramatic scene, situation around you. Now these are general vibes, so may or may not resonate with every one of you. With this Three of Swords, I have a very different approach. It's someone who is hurting the other energy, knowing or not letting them know. It's like intentional on their part, but they don't want to reveal it to the other energy. There may be someone you're talking who is dealing possible with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Possible. You are here, honey. Okay, the Star card. I feel there is something that is connecting on this level where there is Three of Swords vibe as well. Now if this is something from past energy, then this person is again coming, rolling. Okay, or this is someone you recently came in contact and there is something brewing. Now whether this is with you or with this person, you also have King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. Maybe this Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean is connected with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but this is a destiny connection, like destined with you. Now the connection is here. However, this is going to create chaos. Let me tell you honestly, this is either getting in chaos or it's going to get in chaos. It's also talk time, but I see dramatic, lot of drama here. I see. Now how you're going to handle this, because someone is coming for you. Tell this. And that's going to create a lot of Two of Pentacles vibe as well. There's going to be same moment with someone here. I feel like a heavy energy and a separation. I see here a separation. Some of you are into this phase. Maybe you're married, okay, and you are having someone around you who is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and you have a mystery connected with someone who's a kind of like, I'm getting that shape shifting, which is about possibly you're changing your pattern, criteria, or something like that. And this is going to create chaos, or it is actually creating, and the C page is happening. There is someone who is doing something underlying, not letting the other energy know, which may be you or which may be the other energy. Okay, so this is about third case triangle situations as well, when you're with someone, okay, when you are with someone already. Late at night, a bark is going to happen. Something is in separation. Look, when I am like, you know, the deck speak to you. It speaks to me different to everyone around. But it's like a separation of something. I don't know how it's giving me the energy of that. There's a marking, and one should not cross it, but they're crossing. Someone is crossing that. It's like something in law as well. Like if it is connected with people I'm talking right now, which is about you, if you're married or you're with someone, but there's also someone in the picture, or is entering, or is actually there, and you don't know, you don't realize something is happening. Again, if something is happening, there's a shape shift kind of. Someone is adjusting something, covering up something, not letting the other person know, but they know. There are trust issues. This is going to be, look, something is going somewhere and the person is yet not aware why and where. And when I'm talking about the rat energy, it's like beneath. So whoever is coming to whom, it depends. Again, different scenario. Like some of you, they are coming to you. Now what they are into, but they are coming. Or you are going and they don't know. Okay, it's a messy situation. I'm telling you chaos. I'm telling you there's a mess. But again, I'm sorry, but then again, there's going to be same moment. There's going to be for communication coming. Someone is dialing. I did dialing the number, I feel. Someone does, they're interested. Curiosity level is high here. Someone seeking something from you. However, this is Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, and that was very heavy while we were doing the shuffle. This is possible someone's sorry, you know, someone is apologizing. If that is not the case, it's something of a new phase in your life. You're having some talk here regarding certain collaboration here, or some talk regarding your work. I feel someone over here is stressed about something here, that they're putting in effort too much. I feel like something is breaking your heart, kind of like you're disappointed for the fact, for some reason. Maybe it's regarding your passion, your work, okay? Sometimes those things also turn up here. Let's see. Look, Temperance. There's going to be some solution to the problem, whatever you're facing right now. Maybe it's relationship or work. There may be Sagittarius. But there is someone, if this is approach, because Knight of Cups, okay, then this is going to be balanced out relationship that you're going to enter in. For some, they're coming. But it's also, maybe some of you are going to mend this with the person. This is a balanced connection. It was supposed to happen. It was destined. Now, whatever is going here, that's a different thing. I know. There is someone who is either married, getting in contact with you, or you are married. However it pertains, okay? Just make it happen, whatever is going on. In here now, you're going to be feeling more at ease regarding something, work or relationship. You're going to get certain solution to the problem. There may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I said so, and you have heavy energy. Focus. It's something that is challenging, but you're going to be more focused, okay? You're going to overcome something here. You just in the phase where you're giving rest to your chakra, third eye, like chakra. That's what I'm talking about in the center, here. Restoring something. Let's see. It's in your future. I'm hearing also double standards. You're out of that of someone. Knight of Pentacles, you are starting, some of you are starting from the scratch. Some of you are having this pickup energy and you're going to continue with whatever you are doing, keeping that patience and faith in something, and this will bring solution. Again, regarding certain thing, certain feedback, certain talk, certain person, there's going to be pickup. It's being delayed, but it's going to be happening here, which means consistency, which means being constant, either in your work or in relationship. There is approach. Someone is looking forward with you now, or else you. Now listen, there is also, with this Knight of Pentacles, be responsible on what you are focusing, what you are putting your work in. It's going to give you results. Okay? Okay, what? Okay, there is someone, I said they're crossing. For the fact they're stopping there because they don't want to drown. Okay? If they're not here, they're going to be here soon. They don't want to drown. Let's see what's beyond Knight of Pentacles, what it is bringing in your life. For Aquarius, 11:11 recording time, I just saw it. You people are, some of you are patching up for the fact that it's going to be okay. Some of you are going to travel, not necessarily though, but it's a move for the better. I see like a move for the better. So whatever, emotional or, you know, in the physical form as well, you're going to win over certain situation. I also hear something will be returned to you. So whatever is yours or whatever you're waiting on, it's going to be returned to you. Some of your work processes in Pentacles, they feel like at ease, but not that much. Okay, not like the kings kind of, and that's what you're putting focus on. You're going to hear from someone. I feel that energy. Okay, it's someone, they're coming for you. So communication is coming. What is that? What's that? What's that crossing for? What is that crossing for? Okay, I talked about water. You have water. I talked about crossing. It's a crossing. Someone is feeling like they're going to drown without you. Like basically it's about they're missing you, if you know them, because there's a Queen of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone over here is upset and they're missing you. Okay, when someone is not in the right frame, which means that they're stressed. Someone is in either pain or stress. They are very much connected with you, deep inside. They love you very much. They care for you. They want to tell you something here. I also hear the word most probably. Like they're basically collecting those pebbles as memories, and they want to write something on that. And it's like you have seen the pebbles on that. It's written love, faith, belief, trust, kind of. Okay, wealth and everything. So I feel like someone is interested in that. Okay, they want to tell you something here, very heavy. And this crossing is all about they're unable to right now. They're just thinking about sharing something with you. The Star, it is destined. I told you, some fate, some connections. You Aquarius, it's like someone who is seeking your advice or seeking your emotions, managing, and I'm hearing the word melting. Someone is melting in your love or melting in this connection, or you are. This connection is destined. They're coming. Someone is coming for you. Now you need to know who is coming, what got over, what went into pause mode. And I read somewhere that when you ask someone anything connected with your relationship or love matter, and the pause in that moment is basically the answer. Okay, so maybe you got somewhere the answer, what that is all about. The weight, it's the weight that they are in. I told you, someone is keeping a lot of patience, but it's also your creative projects and the patience that you are keeping in the growth. You're not getting that much that you really desire if it is connected with Pentacles or money related stuff, but then again it's consistent at least. Okay, I also see here that something might have happened underneath, which is like under the layers, which is like in the deep down, which is like again the rat energy. It's like something that you feel where this went. Okay, I worked so hard and it's not growing. Okay, that kind of energy is also coming. Again, some of you might be connected with certain someone. You're completing 7 years or possible on and off or being together. have a certain message. What was that? Patience will be checked in this time frame. Also, someone is waiting for your answer. I also see they're coming. Why? When they're crossing, they're waiting there to cross. Why? What is this Three of Swords? Three of Swords is a Four of Cups. For some cases, this is past connected. Okay? It's like it was always meant to. If it is past, resurgence call. If someone from your past life or past this lifetime, if this is someone from your past lifetime, then there is something that they are going through right now, which is again connected with Three of Swords. Okay? Someone is connecting with you from your past. Someone might be offering you, talking to you, but does that make sense if you're married or in relationship now? You know, this is betrayal. Anyhow, Four of Cups is also here. Why Three of Swords? It's basically you're considering something or someone is giving you this. Okay? It's a distraction. You can't pretend that you don't love one another. There is something that someone is camouflaging, but exactly you people love one another. It's a boom, boom, boom. It's a boom, 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 boom. When witches come along, they dance on the tune. When witches come along, they dance on the tune. Come, come. Just as good. Tell me what is coming. Tell me what is coming. Southern spirits, tell me what is coming. I feel like amore. Amore is a sign that someone is looking at you with great love and longing. Someone's heart is breaking who is in love with you. Or you are in love with someone, and that's a third shot. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy, but I feel to you. Someone is watching you, keeping an eye on you. Someone is in deep love with you. And to be honest, of course, everyone does have their past energies and everything, but I feel this is like, are you ready to take that shot? Okay, love shot. It's coming. They're coming. They're coming. Someone is coming. Some of you are going to pair up with again another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in the coming time. The bride. Someone is coming. Who is coming is currently in relationship or married. You or the other energy. If both of you, then goes that way. But you people are meant to be together. Again, if you are single or from a long time, you haven't dated anyone, but you're interested, or this is destiny. This situation, you are going to meet with someone who is already married. The bride ensures for a single person the fulfillment of their highest aims when near. If distant, turbulent married life. However, this may be male or female energy, but some presence. There's also a triangle, I'm telling you that, okay? Ace of Swords, but the rapiers, and they warn us against assaults which threaten and will occur sooner or later, according to the distance from the person. Some of you might be having a turbulent married life, okay? Someone is betraying you, or if you are in relationship and marriage or long-term relationship. If that's not the case, someone is doing a cross here, which is about betraying you, or you are doing what I don't see that it's you. Possible it's you. I don't know, because you also have you. So possible you're being betrayed by a person, or someone else is betraying someone in order to be with you, because there's a whole Three of Swords energy of chaos. Okay, the word written is avoiding rumors. I kind of heard spreading rumors. Someone is spreading rumors about you and the person. If it is about official matters and everything, then that goes that way. If this is something different, okay, listen to me. Do not believe everything that you hear till the time you see. Okay? Rumors will always abound. And the more you do in life, the more you will be a target. If you're doing what you feel God wants, then rumors won't hurt you. Just basically, whenever I see God, I always say universe, higher power, or God, or Bhagwan, whoever you worship, you believe in and have faith in. But also be careful that you are not the one starting or spreading it, okay? Be responsible for that. Someone is going to be in high command, like people need to listen to them. So maybe it's about job, something connected with the you're in power, okay? They look up to you. They're coming. I'm having that message of someone who is coming again and again. It's just a matter of time when this is going to, they're going to fill that pot, that hole or something that's open in the mid, and then they are going to reach to you. Okay? Angel of strength. Keep that strength with you, honey. There may be a Leo, and I talked about Leo, I feel, in the startup. Yes. If that is not the case, something powerful is going to enter in your life. Nothing can stop, not even rumors, nothing. So whatever is spreading, let them. Don't, just focus on that. There's going to be a high reunion also. Someone who's going to be very protective of you. Spirits, please give us the answer. Please give us the energy. Just what you want to say. There's going to be door to value. Now this is going to be for some of you, door to valuable relationship. This is also about money coming back to you, something that will be returned to you, something that you will receive. Highest focused door, okay? This is money, this is finances, this is lucky charm. This is also door to valuable relationship that you're going to enter soon. Something is coming, they're coming to you. So maybe money is coming to you, money and love is coming to you. Very, very strong foundation I see for you guys. Something will work out. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.